Good evening everyone, welcome to Lukmaan IAS. This is DTRS session, daily Takkar Rapid Series. So daily we are discussing 10 MCQs based on the current affairs of the day. And these MCQs are also being compiled as 200 MCQ magazine that is very helpful for revision purpose and practice purpose. The questions are very quality questions and you have the compilation of current affairs based MCQs for that month, and it is going to help you for your prelims preparation. So today's lead topic is Grievance Redressal Assessment and Index 2023, which was recently released, and that's why first MCQ based on this topic, another 9 MCQs based on 9 relevant topics of the day. But before that, daily we are also discussing one quotation that is helping us to prepare for our mains examination papers such as ethics and essay paper. ठीक है, तो एसे और एथिक्स में ऐसे कोड बेस्ड टॉपिक्स ज़रूर पूछे जाते हैं. कभी कभी हम ऐसे कोड्स जहाँ पर डिस्कस कर रहे हैं जहाँ पे आपके प्रिपरेशन जर्नी में काफ़ी ज़्यादा ये रिलेवेंट है. फॉर एग्जांपल दिस वन, ही दैट इज़ गुड फॉर मेकिंग एक्सक्यूजेस इज सेल्डम गुड फॉर एनीथिंग एल्स. मेकिंग एक्सक्यूजेस. सो यस, इन आवर पर्सनल लाइफ फॉर प्रिपरेशन ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन और इन जनरल वी कैन से दैट in professional life, those who give excuses, they are not liked by the management, by the organization, and that's why they are not promoted. ठीक है, तो he who is good at making excuses is seldom good for anything else. Why it is said like this? Those who are making excuses, basically they are trying to not take responsibility. This quality is not there among them. Okay, they are not able to take the responsibility. They are not taking the ownership of the task. Many times the civil servants, it is even relevant to civil servants and even or public servant. What we see in the government also, different departments will say that it is not our task, it is not our duty, it is not in our jurisdiction. So why should we do it? So this is kind of, let's say, excuses, or they will give some, let's say, other excuses that I have other work, or let's say some kind of problem has happened in my home, I have some personal work. So may not be there is personal work, और इस तरीके से मतलब इतना important कुछ नहीं होगा जितना important ये काम है, but still they will do or give such kind of excuses. Let me tell you, if you want to, let's say, grow in your professional life, or if you are preparing for this UPSC examination, and if you give excuses to yourself here, ठीक है, कि आज मेरा मूड ठीक नहीं है, आज पढ़ाई का मूड नहीं है, चलो मूवी देखते हैं, आज let's say पढ़ाई का मूड नहीं है, चलो दोस्तों के साथ बाहर जाते हैं. So basically what you are doing is you are giving excuses and you are basically making fool टू योर सेल्फ. ठीक है, तो ये वाला चीज़ हमें नहीं करना है. हमारा जो टाइम टेबल है पढ़ाई का, वी हैव टू फॉलो इट स्ट्रिक्टली. वट एवर वी हैव डिसाइडेड फॉर, लेट्स से टुडे, what things we are going to do, what things we are going to study, that needs to be implemented without any excuse. ठीक है, ऐसा भी नहीं कि मैंने बहुत 2-3 दिन लगातार पढ़ाई कर लिए, चलो मैं अभी रिलैक्स करता हूँ, टाइम्स थोड़ा ब्रेक लेता हूँ. ऐसा करना ही नहीं है हमें. ठीक है, हमें क्या करना है? कंसिस्टेंसी मेंटेन करना है, रूटीन मेंटेन करना है. एंड यस, इट इज़ अप्लाइड टू इवन प्रोफेशनल लाइफ, एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी वांटेड टू डिस्कस दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक. एंड इवन इन गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स व्हाट वी सी इज पीपल आर गिविंग ऑलवेज एक्सक्यूजेस. ठीक है, मुझे ये काम है, मुझे दूसरा काम ज़्यादा है, मुझे ये नहीं है, मुझे इवन दे विल से दैट आई विल डू द वर्क दैट इज़ प्रोपोर्शनेट टू द अमाउंट ऑफ सैलरी दैट इज़ गिवन. ठीक है, या फिर मेरे डेजिग्नेशन के अंडर नहीं आता है, ये मेरे जुरिसडिक्शन के अंडर नहीं आता है. ये वाले जो एक्सक्यूजेस हम देखते हैं, इट शोज दैट दे आर नॉट एबल टू टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, दे आर नॉट टेकिंग द ओनरशिप ऑफ द टास्क, द जॉब दे आर डूइंग, एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट क्रिएट्स प्रॉब्लम नॉट ओनली टू द इंस्टीट्यूशन बट देयर ऑल्सो प्रोफेशनल ग्रोथ. ठीक है, नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट, लेट्स से टुडेज 10 questions. But before that, a small announcement. Prelims guidance program is going to start from 6th January 2025, and this particular guidance program is a comprehensive strategy for your prelims preparation, where there will be weekly classes, and along with that on weekend there will be test on those, let's say, classes and the syllabus that we discuss in the classes. And the complementary test series will be provided for GS and CSAT both. So total 61 tests will be there along with the classes. So comprehensive strategy for your prelims. So from January onwards, it is expected that you will start preparation of your prelims examination, and you can join this program and start that preparation in a planned manner. Okay, these are the 10 MCQs, 10 topics of the day. Let's solve the MCQs on them one by one. So yes, this was in news. Grievance Redressal Assessment Index 2023 was recently released, wherein around 87 ministries, central ministries and departments have been assessed on certain dimensions, certain criterias. Okay, so there are total 11 indicators categorized under 4 dimensions. Which are these 4 dimensions? Efficiency, feedback, organizational commitment. It's not quality, rather domain. So these are the 4 dimensions under which 11 indicators are there. Okay, this is being implemented by Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances. Okay, DARPG. Remember this, it is very important initiative. Why? Because it is going to, let's say, have the competitive environment, environment among the ministries and department in terms of efficiency, let's say how efficiently they are resolving the public grievances against the public servant or civil servants or government, we can say. It will promote transparency and accountability in the administration. So only 3 is the correct answer here. C is the correct answer. Okay, fine. Now moving on. Slender-billed curlew. Yes, this particular bird species was in news, and the experts are of the view that this particular, let's say, bird species has become now extinct. Okay. The slender-billed curlew wintered in shallow freshwater habitats around Mediterranean Sea. This is correct, we can say. During winter, the habitat of this bird species is around Mediterranean Sea freshwater habitats. Listed as endangered under IUCN, it is not endangered, rather it is critically endangered bird species. It has long legs. Now this is incorrect. It has short legs, and we can say different colors of feathers. So yes, and long beak, we can say that. Okay, so ये short legs होता है. So this is incorrect. This one is incorrect. First one is correct. One only is the correct answer about this bird species. All right. Yes. Now, which are these species? Recently, a new genus of fish species have been categorized from Western Ghats. Okay, so that's why it is in news. Species Minonomechilis ramadevi and Nemachalis monilis. So these are the species belonging to fish category, and you should know that recently a new genus has been created for the fish found in this particular fish in Western Ghats. A is the correct answer. That's why it was in news. Look at this. Registered from Western Ghats. Now, Nugu Wildlife Sanctuary. Consider the following statements about that Nugu Wildlife Sanctuary. Why it was in news? So NTCA had recommended, National Tiger Conservation Authority had recommended that this sanctuary should be made as a core area of Bandipur Tiger Reserve in Karnataka. But it has not been implemented yet. That's why it was in news. It is located in the state of Tamil Nadu. Ye incorrect hai. It is located in Karnataka. The sanctuary is primarily known for population of Asian elephants. This one is correct. And yes, it is forming the part of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. Yes, that is true, we can say that. 2 and 3 only is the correct answer about this Nugu Wildlife Sanctuary. Okay. Yes. Now, description. A place is described here. A tribal village owned by Dhurwa tribe, situated in the heart of Kanger Valley National Park, Bastar region. कांगेर वैली नेशनल पार्क आपको पता है कहाँ पर है? छत्तीसगढ़ में है, राइट? नाउ इट इज लोकेटेड इन डेंस फॉरेस्ट विद कांगेर रिवर फ्लोइंग थ्रू इट and offers an idyllic setting for eco-tourism. Recently it has been selected by UNWTO. कल ही हमने इस टॉपिक के ऊपर एक MCQ सॉल्व किया है for its best tourism village upgrade program. So which is this village? It is Dudhmaras. A is the correct answer. In Chhattisgarh, Bastar district, Bastar region of southern part of Chhattisgarh. ठीक है, Dudhmaras. A is the correct answer. You can see this. Okay. Now, Army Tactical Missile System. What is it? Yes, this is the missile system of USA. It is developed by USA. Recently, Ukraine used these missiles against the Russia, that's why it was in news. Short range surface to surface missile developed by DRDO, this is incorrect. US का है ये. Yes, it is launched from a particular platform called as HIMARS, High Mobility Artillery Rocket System. This one is correct. Second statement is correct. So 2 only is the correct answer. Defense related developments they are asking in prelims examination. Last year 3 to 4 questions were asked. Now, One Day One Genome Initiative. This was launched by Department of Biotechnology and BRIC. What is it? Biotechnology Research and Innovation Council. ठीक है, तो ICMR ने नहीं लॉन्च किया हुआ है. दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. इनिशिएटिव फोकसेस ऑन ट्रैकिंग एंटीमाइक्रोबियल रेजिस्टेंस इन पैथोजन. नाउ दिस इज करेक्ट. So it talks about the importance or awareness about the microorganisms. What it is talking? One Day One Genome Initiative. So it wants to sequence the genome of different microorganisms that are there inside our body and outside also, so that we understand how these microorganisms are developing resistance against different drugs, antibiotics. So AMR. This one is correct. Second 2 only is the correct answer. ठीक है? Okay. Okay, Central Consumer Protection Authority, statutory body. Every year UPSC will ask one question on statutory body, any statutory body. तो उससे related हम maximum statutory bodies cover करते हैं इसमें. Central Consumer Protection Authority is a statutory body set up under the Act, Consumer Protection Act 2019. This one is correct. It has power to take suo motu action against misleading advertisement. सुओ मोटो एक्शन के पावर्स उनमें नहीं है एक्ट के अंडर. रादर दे टेक एक्शन आफ्टर एनी पर्टिकुलर कंज्यूमर कंप्लेंट्स अबाउट सच काइंड ऑफ मिसलीडिंग एडवर्टाइजमेंट, और दे कैन टेक द एक्शन बेस्ड ऑन सर्टन फाइंडिंग्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट रिपोर्ट. ठीक है, तो दिस वन इज इनकरेक्ट. फर्स्ट वन इज करेक्ट. 1 ओनली इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ऑल राइट. देन about Press Council of India. About Press Council of India, again we can say that it is important. First set up in 1966 based on recommendation of First Press Commission, chairmanship Justice J.R. Mudholkar. This one is correct. The chairman of Press Council of India is nominated by President of India. This is incorrect. Rather, the chairman is nominated by a committee which is having, which consists of, we can say that, Speaker of Lok Sabha, then of Rajya Sabha, and we can say that yes, one member from the council. ठीक है, Council of States or Rajya Sabha we can say. So these are the 3 member committee and they nominate the member. Generally the chairman of the Press Council is the retired judge of Supreme Court. Retired judge of Supreme Court, and the tenure is 3 years. The tenure is 3 years. So this is incorrect. First is correct. So 1 only is the correct answer. And the last question of the day. Yes, this particular region, place was in news. What is it? Bozhira Valley. Bozhira Valley was in news. It is Kazakhstan. It is located in Kazakhstan. This valley is basically the remnant of Tethys Sea that was present between Eurasian continent and Indo-Australian plate. ठीक है, तो ये टेथिस सी it acted as geosyncline, later on helped in formation of Himalayas and all. We read about it in geography, and this particular Bozhira Valley is having several marine deposits, and we have understood how it has formed because of understanding of those deposits, and it has unique topography also, features also. You can let's say just Google it, its name, and see the photographs also. It is very beautiful. So Kazakhstan, it is located in Kazakhstan. Places in news. इस तरीके से क्वेश्चन आपको जरूर प्रीलिम्स में आ सकते हैं. प्लेसेस इन न्यूज. फाइन. ओके, these are the 10 MCQs of the day. Let us stop. Thank you.